So guys, yesterday we met a friend. We are going to visit him today, and he's leading the way with the border. And we've also done a little bit of shopping for him and his family and his mom. So guys, we are doing a little bit shopping so that we go to this family. He's right there, if you can see him, with the red t-shirt, border guy. So we are following him up the hill to go see where he comes from. Oh. Haupendi kutoka kwa manyata ni kuimprove. Oh, sawa. Welcome to the kitchen in Masai land. This is the kitchen in Turkana land. Yeah. Guys, this is where they cook from, as I told you, and everyone here has the 3 stones. So these are the 3 stones. This is where the wife cooks from, and the wife is in church. So we are roaming around with the husband, and here are some cute kids. Unaitwa? Elijah. His name is Elijah. Unaitwa? Unaitwa nani? Fero. Ah. Mambo. So tuende basi. Guys, let's go to the big house. And one thing I've realized here in the Turkana community, once you are able to get some little money, you improve from living in a manyata and you live in a house like this one right here. So people, they tend to believe that people who still live in manyata houses, they are poor people. So let's go see this one.
Kwetu nimeoa lakini kwetu mpaka kwanza ukae na mtoto wa mtu. Usaye hata mara 3. Hata nafikanga unasaa hata mara 10.
Ekeno is not legally married, and he says in their community you have to stay with your wife or your partner. Make sure she can give birth. Make sure she can get pregnant before one pays the dowry. Dowry in Africa is very important. It is a sign of commitment. So the husband has to make sure that the wife can get pregnant up to even 10 kids before he pays that dowry, before he commits to that marriage. Ekeno, hii ni specifically tu ya mzee.
Ya mzee analalanga.
So guys, we are here in the village. We are going around with our friend Ekeno. yeah, it's quite interesting. The stories he's been telling us are quite interesting. I just hope he could speak English, but it's in Swahili. I'll try to translate that for you guys. Hiyo ni kitu gani anashona?
Ture ya kuweka kama
si unishone basi. Nishone nitachukua. Iko wapi nione?
Unaona kama hii. Sasa leta
hapa ndani.
Leta ingine. Tunabaki. Kuna zingine. Kuna ingine kama hii.
Sawa.
Hata type kuna ingine kama hii.
Sawa.
Alafu hao maliza hii.
Hiyo ni mimi
ya raia. Lazima chukue hapo. Nini raia?
Kwa nini unakata?
This lady says she is Raia, that is why she has tattooed her body. This simply means she's proud to be Turkana.
Oh, maridadi. Ni uchungu.
Unafanya nini?
Unachomwa na shindano?
Nina sindano.
Damu inatoka?
Anataka.
Lakini si
Hii nini inaiva?
Hii ni mahindi.
Oh, inaiva sasa? Inaiva. Tuweke nini basi? Moto. Washa basi. Picha. Mko wapi basi? Mko wapi wote? Sema vile mnaitwa kila mtu. Unaitwa nani? Lema. Na wewe? Sema. Sema vile unaitwa? Dan. Na wewe? Ebe. Na wewe? Ulea. Na nani tena? Na wewe? Tanji. Na wewe? Sema. Chantel. Hiyo ni jina supu. Nani tena? Hii na wewe? Mambo. Mnasoma? Mko class? Nani yako 1? 1?
Yeye anaenda 2.
Nani anaenda 2? Huyu. Unaenda 2? Na wewe? 1. Baby 2. Aha, unasoma?
Nasoma.
Wapi?
PP1.
Sasa tufunike githeri. Guys, this is githeri. You remember githeri? The beans. These are not beans. They're called what? Maize. Yeah, this is maize here. It's getting ready in Ekonu. The 3 stones here, they call them Ekonu.
Also, if you remember, our friend is called Ekonu because he was born next to these 3 stones.
We are waiting for these 3 guys to be completed so that we go with it. Imeisha? Thank you. Aya. Guys, so we just finished from the other community and these are the things we bought actually. So now we are going back to give some gifts to our host, then we go.
Tuweke huko, tupatia wewe nitapatia, weke ingine hapo kwa sababu familia wanakuja.
Wewe utajua vile utafanya.
Nitakuwa nimeshukuru sana. Tutakuwa warafiki. Mmoja mtani nini mbuzi hata mkuja
Endelea
hiyo kweli. Asante bwana.
Itakuwa sukuma kidogo.
Alafu nikuje twende. Ngoja kidogo.
Hey guys, so we are from John Ekonu's place. Now we are headed to Lake Turkana. It's quite a distance from where we are. This is Lodwar town where we are coming from. We are headed to Lake Turkana, which is about 42 kilometers or 52 kilometers, I'm not so sure. So this is how it looks like. It's quite a desert. Let me know what you think, what you know about Lake Turkana, guys. If you know anything about Lake Turkana, history of Lake Turkana, let me know in the comment section below. And yeah, we'll see you once we get there. So we are in Kalokol, guys. Let me show you. It's like a village. This is a village. It smells of only fish, like fish. So na pia kutanyesha. So guys, we made to Lake Turkana. It's in Kalokol. It's actually not in Lodwar town, it's in Kalokol. So we are right now in Lake Turkana, and Lake Turkana is divided into two. One is in Lodwar County, another one is in Samburu County. It's not Lodwar County, Turkana County, another one in Samburu County. And guys, this place is dirty, like dirty for real. It's dirty, like extremely dirty. It's where I think there is money because people come here to buy fish. And as you can see, there are a lot of manyatas. There are a lot of manyatas here, because I think this is also where they live. These are fishermen. They live here. They sell from here. Guys, can you see that car? Gosh. Kumbe ile ni njia. So, and actually guys, this place is not deep. The mean average is 6 meters. The mean average depth is 6 meters. And also it's super saline because it has no outlet. And the inlets it has River Takwel. It has, which one? Kerio, River Kerio. Oh, there's Omo from Ethiopia. Yeah. Omo River from Ethiopia also drains here, but then because people tap the water from those 3 rivers for electricity, so the lake doesn't get enough water. So yeah, it's not much to see here, and also making friends is difficult. So we'll have to go to the other side to look for fish for lunch at maybe a cleaner place to look for food. Do you think you can swim here? Can you swim? I'm here in Kalokol, and we are hunting for fish, because actually this is where the Lake Turkana is, and this is where they are fishing for fish. So we've assumed that we can easily get fish here to eat, like fried fish and everything, but they say it's dirty. Okay, so all right, so since we found food, so guys, we found food, and also we found the fish here, so we are digging in. So this is the road to Elie Springs, guys, here in Turkana County. For those people who want to go to Elie Springs, it's 50 kilometers from this road. This is Turkana. This is Lodwar Lake Turkana Road. Lodwar Lake Turkana when you're going to Kalokol. And also we have Christine Camp, which is 45 kilometers. This is quite so many kilometers on a rough road, guys. But it's quite interesting because, oh my god, I've never been to a very sunny place like this one. It's really sunny, guys. And wow, what is this? Wow, see what I found. Anyway, so not going to Elie, so we are going back to town, Lodwar town. We are at Kanamkemer, the Catholic Church, Diocese of Lodwar. Yeah, I think that is what I read. So we are here. My friend has gone to pray. He is Catholic. He has gone to pray, and I'm just seated in the car. Yeah. It's been a long day, guys. It's been a long day. So yesterday I met this nice guy, boda guy, and I was asking him if he could allow me see his mother's manyata. So he allowed me. I went there to the manyata. It was very beautiful, very friendly people. This is what I got. I got this basket right here. Let me show you. I got this basket here for only 150 Kenyan shillings, guys. My friend got these capes here. So my friend got these capes. What are these? These hats here for only 50 Kenyan shillings, guys, each. This one is 50 Kenyan shillings. This one is 50 Kenyan shillings. They are 4 of them. I also got these tray. These are tray for only 100 Kenyan shillings, guys. You can't believe. Only 100 Kenyan shillings. Yeah, I got 3 of them. I got this one. I also got this one here. And I also got this one here for my mom.